Well, today we are going to do a Redclay handmade deodorant. So I have stepped out of my backyard and we're gonna get one of our main ingredients straight from my garden, which is the Redclay. It's not directly from Morocco, but it's surely great from West Georgia. So there we go. And sorry for being a little bit out of focus. So now we're gonna get together our wet ingredients. So we're gonna get 2 tablespoons of organic natural cold pressed coconut oil. There's one, and now another one. And then we're going to add a little bit of beeswax. That's just to harden the solution, but we have to melt it down. Now it's solidified, so we're going to put it in a double boiler method, and we're adding our coconut oil and our beeswax together and just let it sit there in medium to low temperature to melt. And we're going to go ahead and add 1 tablespoon, not too aggressive, of shea butter. And now we're going to get our organic lavender flower, and we're going to put it in a coffee grinder, a little bit more, just like so. And now we are going to go ahead and, there you go, place the lid, readjust it, and we're going to grind. One more time. There it is. It smells amazing. And let's see if we can get you two guys out of focus again. Here, there it goes. So now we're gonna get a piece of cloth. I recommend that you use cheesecloth, but that's all I had on hand. So we're gonna get our oils and we're gonna drain them through the cloth. And like that will remove all the debris from the lavender. And now we have clear oils with no debris. Beautiful. And then let me show you how I capture all the lavender. And let me show you one more time. Okay. So now we're going to get our Redclay and we are going to put it on that mini processor. Lid. I think it's the wrong way. Let me try the other way. Like so. And we're going to go ahead and just blend that a little bit to get it fine and remove any lumps. Now we're going to add a half a teaspoon of kaolin clay. And I know a lot of people are going to have questions about kaolin clay and they're going to say that that is infused with aluminum. This is an aluminum, but it is a natural source because it comes from a rock which is from the earth crust. It's not aluminum powder or aluminum salt. So I say everybody do their research because bentonite clay, red clay, they tend to be either high in iron or some sort of natural aluminum, which is one of the greatest mineral produced by the earth. So I know everything that is said about the aluminum, but there you have our red clay. And I had on hand a little bit of sweet almond oil, so I just decided to add a little bit to our mixture. And there it is. So we're going to put our wet and dry ingredients together. And then we're going to mix that. And like I was saying, I suggest that everybody does their research, especially in regards to aluminum. Aluminum is bad to have in your deodorants, and aluminum salts and aluminum powder that are industrialized and produced. So there's a lot of debate going back and forth when it comes to that. Just learn your natural ingredients and see and come up with your conclusion. Now we're going to add a little bit of lavender, which is a great anti-inflammatory, and it helps with skin blemishes, and it helps fight fungus. So it's a great essential oil to put. And also we're going to go ahead and add some cedarwood, which is a natural deodorizer. Also is a great combination to keep us dry and smelling good. And you can also use other essential oils if you like. Just mix it well. And I decided to put the essential oils after, not in my wet ingredients, because one, they were being heated, and I figured that I would just put it once everything was mixed to keep the integrity of the aromatherapy. Then we went and we get a biodegradable container, and there it is. We pour it inside. Take a look. It looks amazing. Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments below. And I hope you subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching. Enjoy.